And I'm back! After a long break of not posting videos, that was like 2 weeks. Or a month. It's a month. As I said in my previous video, here's one of the very first videos I recorded for this channel. Hi! Ako si Kevin Evangelista at happy ko nagbubuo ng PC. Tapos yun, kasama ko ngayon yung kaibigan ko, kaibigan ko na si Deo Magno. Joke lang, si Deo Magno. Siya yung nag-shoot ngayon. Earlier this year, my very good friend Deo Magno asked me to spec out and build his personal rig for work and gaming. I decided I wanted to shoot a video showing off the awesome parts we picked out and the process of building his PC. By that time, however, this channel was still in its planning phase and I still haven't settled for a voice or a theme. We just shot this run and gun style. So while this PC build video is playing, I'm going to give you a short background of this channel and why I made it. Hello, I am Kevin Evangelista. I started this channel because of my great interest and love for tech and gaming. Yung cooler niya, yung Deepcool 120K Maelstrom, which is very good. Medyo maingay compared to other liquid coolers, pero yung performance niya is very exceptional. I'm a film editor by day, and I've been in the industry for about 4 years. I've done short films, feature-length films, music videos, advertisements, etc. But the main thing I do is VFX, or visual effects, which means I composite video, image, and effects assets into shots, like 3D assets or animations. I am currently in the esports industry, and I work for a company that organizes and manages esports events and tournaments. I head their creative team and make their media outputs. This looks really good. You know, kasi mo yun yung makikita mo sa harap ng case. And ang laki pa naman ng window nung ano. So parang, why not show it off? Diba?
Pakita mo ulit.
By the way, if you're asking, Kevin, why do your videos look like that, with the grain in weird colors? Get a better camera. Well, it's a stylistic choice. I color grade my videos like I would a style-heavy film, and I add a little bit of grain, like this. First, I shoot in a neutral profile, then I color correct, then color grade, then add a little bit of grain. Mas madali kumbaga mag-partition ng cables. Pag alam mo kung hanggang saan yung hanggang saan mo papaabutin yung cables. I am also a musician, mainly a guitarist, but with a little help from my PC and Mixcraft 8, I make full band songs with the very lovely Briones.
Lapit ako. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Okay, so ito na yung coup de grace. The graphics card. For me, this YouTube channel is the next step for my relationship with tech, gaming, and music. Since my college days, I explored and dabbled with these interests, buying tech, making music, and playing games whenever I can. Now I want to share it with you guys. Here's some of the tech that I have that I think you'd be interested in. Here's the music I want you to hear. Here are the games I think you'd enjoy. And of course, this YouTube channel and my Facebook page won't exist without the help of my awesome partner Jo. She's the one who fixes my scripts, operates the camera when I'm in front of it, and most importantly, pushes me to pursue this endeavor. I'm eternally grateful for her help. We aren't getting paid to do any of this, we just want to serve good content to people who are willing to watch and listen. 1 video per week. Hopefully. So that's my channel in a nutshell. Do you have any questions? Comment down below. While you're there, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you want to see more, you can check out my previous video, which is my unboxing and review of the AK Racing K7012 gaming chair. This chair. Check back next week, or maybe later this week. I don't know when it's gonna come out, but I am vlogging now. So yeah, check that out on my Facebook page or here on YouTube. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.